Hello students, myself Sumangla Birada. In previous video we discussed about relational algebra operations, that is unary operations, select, project and rename. So now in this video let's see about relational algebra operations from set theory. So in the set theory you already know that what is union operation, what is intersection operation, what is set difference or minus operation, Cartesian or cross product operation. In general in set theory you already know what actually these operations are, but according to relational algebra how these operations works, let's see. First we'll see union operation. So as you know that what is union? Union is a relation which includes all tuples that are present either in R or in S. R and S are the relations. Okay. These are the two relations. What are the tuples are present in relation R? That one also will take, or what are the tuples present in S, that also will include, or it may be present in both here. Okay. So those tuples which are present either in R, either in S or in both R and S, you will take as a union operation result here. So duplicate tuples are eliminated. So if you take the tuples, so if the same tuple is present in both the relation, then instead of getting the resultant with the two tuples, you will get only one tuple as a result here. Duplicate tuples are eliminated. And one more criteria, if you want to apply the union operations between any two relations, so what are the attributes you will take? No, number of attributes in both the relation must be same, and data type whatever you will take, no, data type of the both the relation, okay, a data type of attributes of the both the relation must be same here. So for example, student is one relation like R, so instructor is another relation like S, and attributes of student are Fn, Ln. So these are the two attributes in instructor, Fname and Lname. Attribute name may be different, but data type whatever you taken for the Fname, no, so that Fn and Fname data type must be same here. And whatever the data type you will take for Ln, no, same data type must be there for Lname also. And number of attributes. In the student, how many attributes are there? Two attributes. Yes, in instructor also two attributes. Number of attributes and data type of the attributes, if it is same, that is what you call as a type compatible. So if it is compatible, then you can go for this union operation. So now if I apply this union operation, so what happens here? It combines all those tuples which are present in either in student, either in instructor, or it may be presenting. So first one is the Sushan. Yes, it is first Sushan. Next Ramesh, Johnny. Okay. Next Barber, Amy, Jimmy, Ms. These are the attributes of the student. See, these are the attributes of the student. Next in the instructor, John is there. Next is the Ricardo, Sushan. The Sushan, Yahoo, it is not repeated. Okay, it is not entered here. Only these two here. Okay, John, first attribute is for his first tuple is what it is. This is your first tuple, and that first tuple you are written here. And second tuple, that one is also written, but you are not written this tuple here because this tuple is present in both the relation. It is present in student and also it is present in instructor. In that situation, such type of the tuples, if it is there, only once you will write. See here, it is there, but only once it is written. That is what we call as a duplicate tuples are eliminated here. Okay. So next Johnson, yes, it is here. Next is the Ramesh. Yes, that Ramesh is also there here. Second tuple it is here. That is what it is, Ramesh Shah, and that one it is here. Okay. So same tuple if it is present in both the relation, then only once it shows in the final result here. That is about your union operation. Is it clear now? That tuples which are present in either R or in S or in both. If it is present in both R and S, in that situation it eliminates the duplicate tuples here. Okay. So let's take one example. This is the example comes under in this unary operation, that is union operation, that is the retrieve the social security numbers of all employees. Okay, now what actually you want to retrieve? This is the one query. You want to retrieve the social security numbers of whom? Of all employees who either work in department number 5 or directly supervise an employee who works in department number 5. So that employee may be worker or that employee may be supervisor here. So this department number is 5. So in this department number, that employee may work or that employee may supervise all those employees who works for department number 5 here, anyone here we can use. Okay, so this is the condition here. Okay, that employee may be worker or the supervisor here. In that situation, you can go for this union operation here. So if you want to write the any query, this is what we call as a query here. And in this query, what is the condition? First you have to check where you are having the condition and what is that condition? This is your condition. What is that? You want to retrieve the social security number of which employees who works. This is your condition. First you concentrate on condition in the query, that is who either work in department number 5 or directly supervise an employee who works in department number 5. This is your query here. So for condition, which operation works? Yes, you know that some of the unary operation, if you want to specify the condition. So whether it is select operation or it is project operation. Yes, it is the select operation. Union or the select operation, it is based on the condition. So here condition is department number 5. Yes, that's why you have to take which operator first? The sigma. Next is condition. What they given condition here? DNO equal to 5. So this one is from which table? Employee table here. Okay. So now whether that employee is the worker or as a supervisor, you have to check. That information you will get from which table? Employee table here. Okay. See, this is your employee table and this employee table contain all the information related to employee here. So now according to this, if I write this condition, okay, this operation here as a relational algebra expression. So what is the output you will get for this one? If I use the select operation, select you are using for which purpose? Yes, to select the tuples. So based on this condition, what is the condition? Department number 5. So now you have to check where you are having the department number 5. Here you are having the department number 5 and here also you are having the department number 5. So then it selects these two tuples and this department number 4, no condition fills and here also fills. But here once again you are in department number 5 and here also you are in the department number 5. Then these two tuples it selects here. Okay, these 4 tuples because it satisfies the condition where DNO value is the 5 here. Next if I go for this one, no, and this one is also no because department number it is not equal and this also not equal. 4 and 1 it is not equal. Where DNO equal to 5, those tuples it selects. Remaining it removes here. So now after removing this result, what are the result you will get? No, these 4 tuples it stores in a new relation here. Okay, what is your new relation? You are given the new relation name as what it is? DEPCR, DEP5 EMPS. This arrow indicates what? What are the result you will get? No, from this operation, that one result you have to store in a new relation here. So that new relation contains how many tuples now? 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Okay. So this is about your condition. So after that, what actually you want to retrieve now? You want to retrieve social security number of all employees. So social security number, which tuples holds which attribute holds the social security number? Yes, this SSN holds your social security number. Then what is the thing? You have to select this attribute. So only this column you want to select now. For selecting that, which operator you require, that is the by project operation. Project operation to select the attributes and sigma operator to select the tuples according to some condition. So which attributes you want to select only? You want to select only the social security number because just you want to retrieve what here? You want to retrieve only this one. This is your retrieving information. Whatever you want to retrieve, that one you have to specify with the help of the file. And what are the conditions you are having in the query, that one you have to specify with the help of the sigma here. Okay, sigma to specify the condition and this one file to select the output attributes, which attribute to select here. So now which attribute it selects here? SSN here. Okay, only this attribute you want to select. When you take this one, whenever you take this one, then what are the result you will get? No, that result. Meaning of this one, it selects only this particular column in this D, E, P, phi, E, M, P, S in this new relation. So what are the relation tuples are there among those things? Now you are selecting only those tuples where attribute is there. Attribute values, SSN attribute it is there. So this is your new relation, result 1. It contains only those attributes where SSN is there, because you want to retrieve only the social security number here. This is for employee here. Whether that employee is supervisor or not, that information you will get from which tuple? Which attribute holds that information in this table? Is F name, middle initial, L name is there, and SSN, birth date, address. These are the attributes are there. Among these attributes, which attribute tells that that employee is the supervisor? As the super SSN tells that that employee is the supervisor. Here that employee may be worker or may be supervisor. This SSN tells the employee information, and super SSN it is there, no, that one tells the whether that employee is supervisor or not. So now you have to select super SSN from this DAP 5 EMPs. DAP 5 EMPs is the one of the new relation where you are having the DNA equal to 5. So instead of retrieving all the information, you want to retrieve only social security number of the employees and social security number of the supervisor, super SSN. So this is the result of second one here. So this is the result of employees and this is the result of supervisor. But here condition you are used as a OR here. So OR means what it is? So you have to join this two, either maybe as an employee or either maybe as a supervisor. You want the final result here. So what is the thing you have to do now? If you are use the union operation between these two, then you will get the final result. See here, result 1 union result 2, then you will get the final result. That is what here. See the result. All those attributes which are present in SSN, result 1 and which are present in the result 2 here. Those attributes you are using here. So here you are having the super SSN, but in the result you are renamed as what it is? SSN here. That's why in the result 2 you are getting the attribute name as a SSN. So after combining, after applying the union operation, you got this as a result here. So this is about your union operation. Is it clear now? Thank you.